In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a Nitro RC car. The first things you want to do is to turn on the remote control and turn on the receiver. And now first testing all the steering and accelerator is working, and check the fuel tank, make sure there's enough fuel. And the next thing you want to do is to put the igniter in, plugged in to the glow plug, and now just try to pull it. Now start. And now the car is off. Thank you so much for watching.